May I come in, sir?
Yes, Swasti, come on. Swasti,
Yes, sir.
you have been preparing for civil service since 2020.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many OPC or are you appearing for only OPC or UPSC as well?
Sir, both.
Both.
Yes.
UPSC, how many attempts?
Sir, 3 attempts, including
3
this.
attempts.
Yes.
This year. Okay, and OPSC?
First attempt.
This is your first attempt.
Yes. So in previous attempt, I have filled up the form, but I didn't.
It didn't go on attempt.
Yes.
So this is your first attempt.
Yes.
Obviously, that's okay. You are from Kendrapada.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I visit Kendrapada, what are the 3 things you will suggest me that I should go and visit?
So first one, I would say the Bhitarkanika National Park. Sir, because it has, we can say in Odisha, the largest number of mangroves found in Bhitarkanika, and
Yes.
Bhitarkanika hosts all the 3 types of crocodile, that is mugger crocodile and saltwater crocodile, and it's the third one I forgot.
Okay.
And sir, it has 6 types of kingfisher birds.
6 type kingfisher birds.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
And apart from Bhitarkanika?
So second one, I would say the Baldeviju temple.
Okay. And third?
So third, I would say the Hukitola.
Hukitola.
Yes, sir.
That's an island, I think.
It is present in Jambu Island.
Jambu Island.
It is a storehouse. It is made during the Nonka Durbhikya in 1866.
Yes. Bhitarkanika, right? Achha, tell me, we have mangroves, right?
Yes.
What species of mangrove is that? I gather that you are a botany student, right?
Yes, sir.
So what species is it?
So generally in Odia we call it one is Sundari tree, Sundari variety in mangrove. Sir, in scientific term, I have like
You are not aware of it?
the Sundari.
No. The species name of that.
Sir, I know, no, sir. I know the species like Euphorbia species
Okay.
and Albinia species, but the particular scientific name, sorry, sir, I am not.
Okay, that's okay. So Kendrapada is very vulnerable to disasters, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are posted as a BDO or Tehsildar over there in a block or Tehsil or a district, what will you do so that you safeguard your block or Tehsil from upcoming cyclones? How do you build resilience? Tell me. Take a pause. Think 1, 2, 3 things that you will do so that whenever there is a cyclone, the people of your block or Tehsil are very much well protected. They can withstand the cyclone.
Sir, first I will see the buildings are in climate resilient infrastructure. That is present or not.
So buildings and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And
So second one, I will say we had our good yearly warning system.
early warning system used to be a valid criticism 10 years ago. Now we have everything. We have IMD, information dissemination, early warning, all those things.
Okay, so I will effectively use that system. So if there is some news that this cyclone is coming or something, so I can previously aware.
No. I'm not saying that when the cyclone is coming in the normal times. How do you build resilience?
Okay, sir. The second one, and then I will say community participation.
Mock drill kind of.
Yes, sir, using mock
very good.
drills.
And
So third one, I would say effective rehabilitation.
that is post
After
disaster.
that, okay, sir.
I'm asking about the preparedness, preventive aspect.
Yes, sir.
You just now told me mangroves.
Yes, sir.
You will create shock absorbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Casuarina or mangrove plantation, so that whenever there is a cyclone, it can break the speed of the wind.
It will act as a deterrent.
Windbreaker.
Yes.
Okay. You studied in JNV Kendrapada, right?
Yes.
Kendrapada, we have a port also, right? No, that is in Paradip port.
No, sir. I don't know about any port. In Paradip, there is a port.
Yes.
Yes.
Achha, Kendrapada, is it a rice belt or what kind of cultivation usually?
So generally, people grow the most.
Rice over
Yes, sir. Rice.
And you are a Ravensa University student, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a renaming of Ravensa is going on, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about it? Should we do it or should we not?
Sir, I would say first that we should first give proper information, because people are now complaining that T. Ravensa, the founder of Ravensa, has a great role in a negative aspect in Naonka Dirbhikya. But I have read in newspaper one of the previous register, and his name is Satyakam Mahapatra.
What he said?
Yes, yes. He said that it is not actually T. Revensa. He already mentioned, already provided information to the governor of the Bengal at that time that we are facing this issue, and you should provide store grains and all the things. But the problem is that the governor of the Bengal didn't take this information seriously.
Okay, suppose you are posted in a block at Tehsil, okay?
Yes.
You know that your block at Tehsil is facing one particular issue. You have sent a letter to your collector.
Yes, sir.
And your department as well, saying that this is the issue that my block and Tehsil is facing. I think it is imminent. I think we should take some proactive action on this. They are busy. They are unable to act upon it. Will you stop there?
No, sir.
Then what will you do?
Sir, I will again send that it is very urgent notice.
Yes, again, if they if they are busy and they are held up, still there is no action from
Sir, I
them.
can
What will you
take the
do?
help of media, online media.
So you will expose your collector that he is
Sir,
not
no,
doing
sir,
anything.
I will not expose them. I will
Then-
say that this issue is very urgent and it should be needed.
But why to go to media?
Sir, because the
Action has to be taken by your collector and your department.
yes, sir.
So do you think going to media and telling that this issue is there is a good thing, good approach?
So, sir, I am not saying that I will complain that this has not been taken care of or something. This, if I will give this to media, I think that the district magistrate will it is the probability of taking action will increase. So I think that media will help.
So you will push the collector to take action.
So if he is not taking action, then
You will go to media and you will expose him that they are not doing anything.
no, sir, I am not saying that I will say that they are not doing anything. I will highlight about the issue.
Don't you think you will visit or pursue your collector and department? Go and you have sent 2 letters, suppose there is no action. Don't you think you will go to them and meet them personally?
Yes, sir.
Then, if they are not listening in the first instance, go with more evidence in the second instance. If you are that much worried about the issue, you'll go and meet them personally multiple times, pursue them.
Sir, I actually thought that in the question that I have handed the letter personally, maybe.
So, no, you don't hand the letters personally.
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay, sir, I
maybe
got
because they are also facing they are administering a bigger region, right?
it. Yes, sir.
And department is looking after the whole state.
Okay, sir.
The same thing might have happened in case of Revancha also. He sent 2 letters, slept.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Don't you think?
Yes, sir. Well, I got it.
Don't you think if he was that much aware, he should have made sure, he should have, went to the, what to say, the Governor General and all that, right? Multiple
have
times,
done
not once or
everything,
twice or thrice. He should have done it multiple times and made sure that, it didn't happen,
Yes.
right? So don't you think he did mismanagement? This argument is, if you are a officer over there, you are responsible for administration, and you send 2 letters, so your responsibility is
No,
your
sir.
responsibility is over.
No, sir, no, sir.
Definitely not, right?
Sir, I first said that.
If you are concerned, you will make sure that by hook or crook, you are getting things done,
Done. Yes, sir.
rather than
Just
sending 2 letters and just washing off the responsibility. Don't you think?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other reason? What is your opinion? Should we rename?
Sir, no, sir. Yes, sir. I think we should rename, but my first point was that we should convey the proper information about
To who?
to the people.
Why we should convey any information?
Sir, because public are many alumni or the people surrounding living near Revensa, they have
The alumni should be knowing about the history of Revancha, don't you think?
yes, sir. But
Then why
still-
should we inform them? Otherwise, they will get information when it is renamed.
no, sir. They are the stakeholders of the university, so I think they should have some say.
What kind of say?
Like we can.
Is Revancha a government university?
Yes, sir.
Then can the government rename it?
Yes, sir. Government can rename it.
Then
So, but I think the people are protesting it. So you have.
why people? What is their argument of protest? I am saying that
Yes.
there might have some valid arguments. What is the argument?
So they are saying that the founder of the Revensa, the first, either the founder of the Revensa is the main culprit in the Naonka Durbhikya.
Yes, 1/3 people died.
Yes, sir. So it is called as human-made
Yes, it is
drought.
human-made disaster.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So he,
Famine is human-made.
yes,
Famine is human-made. If people are not getting food and dying, think about it. 1/3 population of Odisha died.
died. Yes.
Do you think that is acceptable?
No, sir. So second one is as our currently our prime minister is we are
Getting rid of colonial legacy.
colonial legacy. Many places have changed their names. So if it is Revensa, so it is okay.
So, in your opinion, what is your personal opinion?
Sir, I think it should be renamed, but all the stakeholders, like I said, the alumni, the people, the people who are studying also get consulted, and it should not be like that. In one night we are changing. It should be a continuous process. If people are not
How do you change it if it is not changing in a single order? That is one night change only. Do
Sir-
you think we should change the letter by letter?
No, sir, I'm not saying that because previously, when first people will hear the news,
When we changed name from Katak, CUTTACK to KATK, right?
so no,
Are you
sir.
aware of it?
No, sir.
No, you don't know. We changed Oriya to Odia.
Yes, sir, that I know.
Did we consult people? When we changed Bombay to Mumbai, Madras to Chennai, Calcutta to Kolkata, did we consult people?
No, sir, the government has made up.
So, in your opinion, we should.
Yes, sir.
Huh? But you are worried about the protest.
Yes, sir.
What is their argument? All the argument I see that revenge is an emotion. That is not a valid argument. Okay, why are you stuck with the name? You are stuck with the infrastructure, stuck with the people you study with there, right?
Sir, I think the current this issue that we have to change the name of the Revensa. But I think sir, people and government both should focus that it is a state university. The infrastructure should be.
Do you think keeping revenge will change anything about it?
No, sir.
Then,
Sir, again, just only changing the name would not.
so what? At least they are changing the name.
Yes, sir.
I understand Central University demand and all those things.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted your opinion. So you did your PG in botany.
Yes, sir.
Then you did.
So no, sir. Actually, I have done integrated BSc B.Ed in Revensa University. As the B.Ed is mentioned under in that column, so I have mentioned I have done B.Ed.
Okay. Then you did your PG.
Yes, sir. After integrated BSc B.Ed.
You went to Punjab.
Central University of Punjab.
So, what is the difference between a Odisha farmer and a Punjab farmer? What do you see?
Sir, I will say first that the state of the farmer, like the earning is usually very high in Punjab, low in Odisha. Second, I will say the amount of fertilizer and pesticides used is very rampant in Punjab, but it is not in Odisha. Sir, third, I will say Punjab is the generally monoculture. Their
Cultivation is monoculture.
Yes, but Odisha it is
Achha,
not.
tell me, Punjab, what is the forest percentage we have? We have very less forest, right, over there.
Sir, in Punjab?
Yes.
Sorry, sir, I don't know in Punjab.
Okay. So, you did Central University of Punjab.
Yes, sir.
You like the Punjabi culture?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is it that you didn't like?
I didn't.
We usually like something about a new culture. We don't like something about it.
Sir, I once visited the Golden Temple, but the behavior of the people, not people, there are some guards. I think I don't know. They are wearing some blue color.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So their behavior towards all the tourists are so like.
Arrogant.
Yes, sir. Not arrogant. I will say it is very bad. Like people, we are first time visiting that place, so we may not be aware of their rules and all. In that langar, I asked for one roti more. I don't know that we have to ask like this. I asked like this. So like he scolded me. In Punjabi. I didn't understand what I have done. So again, one lady told me you have to ask like holding two hands, not one hand. It is like insult. And when the dupatta, we wear dupatta, whenever it, matlab, by mistake it is falling down, so they will again scolding people that we have to wear dupatta. This is our culture.
This one.
Yes, sir.
But that is a parda is a Muslim culture, Islamic culture. It is not there in Hindu culture.
So even boys are
Doing that.
doing one handkerchief like thing.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay. I understand. Yes. So you visited Golden Temple.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing? So that guards you didn't like.
The behavior of the
And in the university and the people.
so in university and people are very cordial, I would say. But one incident happened like beside our university, one girl, she is coming like in late night or something. So some people have misbehaved her. So second is the
Drug abuse is very rampant.
sir, but inside the university it is totally cigarette and drugs all free, so we cannot use them.
Achha, your botany, right?
Yes, sir.
What is Bhavilab's center of origin? Are you aware of it?
Yes, sir, I am aware of it.
Achha. Tell me who introduced, chili into India?
Sir, can I
Or
get
yes,
sir, I think Portuguese.
tomato?
Sorry, sir.
No.
I read about it.
What is in ecological succession? What is a serre? Serre, you know, right? What is
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I know about it, but I could not recall at the moment.
Okay. So when, say for example, we have Amazon forest, when you cut down the forest, regrowing a tropical rainforest or Amazon forest is extremely difficult. Why?
Sir, first of all, is the seed. Sorry, sir. The soil is not very fertile there.
Yes.
So it takes very much time to grow
Regrow.
it. Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell?
Sir, first I will say the structural difference is plant cell have plastids and animal cell hasn't. Plant cell has a larger vacuole in comparison to animal cell, and animal cell has centriole, which plant cell hasn't, and plant cell has chloroplast, which gives it green color, and animal cell hasn't.
Okay. What about cell wall?
So plant cells has cell wall, but animal cell do not have.
Tell me, we see some say croton-like plants, right? They are different. Their leaves are of different color. Why is that?
Sir, actually, there are many pigments found in plants. One is chlorophyll, which gives it a green color, but there are many yellow given by
pigments.
xanthophyll. Yes.
Acha, can they use the pigment to say chlorophyll is used for photosynthesis?
Yes, sir.
Right. But are other pigments can be used for photosynthesis?
Sorry, sir, I will read about it.
Okay.
I have no clear answers.
Okay. That's okay. Can lightning and thunder fix nitrogen?
Yes, sir.
What is the rainfall regime of Odisha? Usually, what is the average rainfall that we get in a year?
Sir, I would say 100 centimeter.
100 centimeters.
Sir.
Acha, tell me, sal we have, right? Sal trees. Is it a wet deciduous tree or a dry deciduous tree? Unable to recall?
Sir, I know it is a deciduous tree.
But you don't know whether it is wet or dry. Can you name from what we can generate biofuels?
Yes, sir. Sir, first one is Jatropha.
Jatropha, is it found in Odisha?
Sir, no, sir, it is in Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Yes, Gujarat people are cultivating it.
Jatropha.
Yes, sir. So I will say second is Euphorbia and switchgrass. It is, I think it is in USA, but switchgrass.
Okay.
And
Sugarcane and all?
yes,
Molasses
sir,
of
sugarcane also.
So your hobby is walking in nature.
Yes, sir.
How do you do that?
Sir, generally in afternoon, like after 4 p.m. Since I am in the preparation since 2020, every day there will be time I will feel that no, I couldn't do it anymore. So at that moment, generally I went for a walk in park. So I think the green color is always has a soothing and healing power. After the walk, I always
That's
feel
why you
like,
have a botany optional.
no, sir. Because I have a graduation and post graduation
I
in
understand
botany.
that. I
Yes.
understand that. Yes, true. So you are a gold medalist in MSc,
Yes, sir.
National Youth Parliament. Okay. Regional you are a kabaddi player.
Yes.
Huh?
In my school.
In your school.
Navodaya.
But why, do you think, kabaddi is not a mainstream sports?
So it is kabaddi is played in Odisha, like in Raja, but I would say it is nowadays it is getting recognition after the formation of Pro Kabaddi League.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there any good kabaddi player from Odisha?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. School sports champion. So you are a sports person.
Yes, sir.
School vice captain.
Yes, sir.
But vice captain and captain, nobody likes a school monitor.
Sir,
Because you report the miscreants to the principal and all that, right?
no, sir. Like in 11th class, we have to do captainship and vice captainship role.
Okay.
But generally, we have to manage the school as a organization.
Okay.
So I would say I didn't like complain that these people are doing things and all.
So you didn't do your role.
No, sir. I do. There are many roles like we have to do PT and all. We have to organize people to collect all the trashes.
All that.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the size of Odisha's economy?
Like sir, GDP.
GDP, yes.
Sir, it is 8.72, I think.
8.72 lakh crore. Or what are you saying exactly? Rate of growth or size of
GDP as a percentage.
No. GDP as a percentage of what? India's GDP.
No, sir.
GDP of Odisha.
Yes.
What? How big of a economy we are? $10 billion, $100 billion, 300, 500.
Sorry, sir. I'll read about it.
Okay. There was a budget recently, right?
Yes.
Highest allocation went to which department? Are you aware of it?
Sir, can I take a guess? Sir, I think agriculture.
Yes. If you are posted in a block where violence against women is very high, what will you do so that the violence against women goes down?
So can I take 2 seconds?
Yes, definitely.
So first, sir, I will spread the awareness. Like I can do gender sensitive program. Like
Yes, awareness is done.
sir.
Gender
Sir,
sensitization.
second, I will say I will place CCTV footage in very like in a maybe in front of medical school. So
You think people will be doing violence against women in the public?
sir, I think they can do in the public also.
But okay. And
Sir, third, sir, I will encourage women who had previously suffered from this to complain.
so you'll make her aware of her rights.
Yes, sir. And if the rights are violated, they should complain. They should not.
So you'll provide some kind of support mechanism.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and
Apart from that,
sir, I can do something like Balika Panchayat, so that the female, like it will. I think it will empower them.
this Balika Panchayat, which state introduced?
Sir, I think Mumbai. I know the IAS officer who has introduced it.
Balika Panchayat is in Gujarat.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Last year, I think they have introduced it. That's a good idea, though. Achha, which dynasty built, Konark temple?
Sorry, sir, I forgot.
Lingaraj temple?
Sorry, sir.
You don't remember? Now tell me, which part of Odisha was known as Kalinga? Is it southern Odisha, coastal Odisha, or western Odisha?
Sorry, sir.
I don't know.
No, sir.
There is a change in government, right, recently in
Yes.
Odisha? After so many years, how do you feel about it?
Sir, I think people have given their mandate to a new government. So I think the previous government has ruled for many years. So I think to given chance a new government, it is a welcoming step.
What are the rivers are there in Kendrapada?
Sir?
Rivers.
Sir, first is Gobari Nai, second is Luna, sir, and Brahmani, Baitarani.
Brahmani is there.
Yes, sir. Brahmani, but Chitrutpada.
Is there any tribals in Kendrapada?
Yes, sir. There are tribals, but they are not very large amount.
Can you name the tribe?
Sir,
Are you
Kolha tribe I am aware of.
Suppose you are,
Kolha.
suppose you are a police officer
Yes, sir.
and you see that a boy has stolen some medicine from a pharmacy and is running away. You catch him, you see the value of medicine, it is 2 to 3 lakhs. Okay, this cancer medicine. And when you ask the boy why he has stolen it, he tells you that his mother is ill, he has no money, so that's why he has stolen it. My question to you is, will you arrest him or will you let him go?
Mm. Sir, can I ask what is the age of the boy?
17, 18-year-old boy.
Sir, first I will say I will gather the information if he has done previously or not. If it is his first time, then I will make him understand that this is
So if it is first time, you will not arrest him?
uh, sir, I will give her information about generic medicine and all.
No, 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 not that. What you will those are other actions.
Yes,
Definitely,
yes.
you will try to arrange some funds from the state or block for his mother, or try to whatever you want to help them in whichever way you will do that. That is okay. First decision is you caught the boy. The next decision is you have to whether you will arrest him or will you let him go. Other decisions will follow. That's okay.
So I think I will arrest him.
Will arrest him. If he has stolen, say, a loaf of bread and is running away, and when you catch him, he tells you that his mother has not eaten for last 3 days. That's why he has stolen the bread. Will you still arrest him?
No, sir, I won't arrest
Will
him.
not arrest him. So petty crimes you will not arrest him.
So I would say petty crime, but it is the food because they are really hungry. So I don't think I should arrest because they are just getting it for for its mother and it's its only loaf of bread.
Okay. Suppose you are a police officer. There are two beggars. Okay. One beggar has got a meal, another has not got a meal. Both of them are hungry.
Yes, sir.
The one who has not got a meal, he he grabs the meal from the other beggar and pushes him away. So the other beggar, he is little weaker, so he goes to the police station to make a complaint. So in this case, what will you do? Will you still arrest the beggar who has grabbed the meal because he is also hungry?
So actually, I am not aware of that police can arrest over people over a meal or something.
You're not aware.
No, sir.
Anyway, suppose there is a train coming through. It is a high-speed train. Okay. And the train driver suddenly sees that on the designated track there are 200 people, and he also sees that there is an abandoned track, 50 women and children are there. Okay. If you are in the seat of the driver, will you go in the designated track where 200 people will die, or will you go in the abandoned track where 50 women and children will die?
Sir, I think I can make a break.
No, that is not available. You have to choose between bad and worse.
Okay, sir.
See, it is a high-speed train. Suddenly you see the people. Even if you break it also, you
Some
can't
people
stop
will.
it. Yes.
Sir, in the 200 people, all the people like men, women,
All
children.
kinds of people are there.
Sir, I think I will go. um,
Tell me, which way you will go?
Sir, I think I would go where 200 people are present.
Why?
Sir, because I think many of them can run as they are like.
No, the ultimate outcome I told you. We go in that road, 200 will die. In this road, 50 women and children will die.
Sir, everyone will die for sure.
Yes.
Sir, if everyone will be die, then sir, I don't think. Sir, I think then if everyone will die, I will choose 50 people.
You'll kill 50 women and children to save 200 people?
Sir, I will kill 50 people. I won't see like women and children. If I have to choose like, if I have to kill in this situation like two options, then I think I have to
Minimize the
protect. Yes, sir. Minimize the damage and maximize the people who can get out.
Acha, suppose in the train track, instead of 200 people, 200 children are there.
Okay, sir. 200 children and
50 women and children on the other side. What will you do?
sir, 50 women and children.
And here 50 children are there, and the other side 200 old men.
I think 200 old men.
Why? Because they have no future.
So I won't say no future, because it would
I know, it's
be
a
rough
difficult-
to say, but
It's a difficult choice, I understand.
Yes.
Anyway, so why are you preparing for civil service?
sir, really I want I want to serve to people, and obviously sir, is this service I will provide me diverse opportunities, so I will get some satisfaction at job level. So, but
Is there anyone from your house who is a civil servant?
no, sir.
Okay. Swasti,
Yes.
what makes you happy? What is happiness according to you?
Sir, I can get happiness over small things, such as like if I get some good news that like when the day I listen that I will get gold medal, I am so happy.
Okay. So small things.
Yes.
Like that. So tell me how we can use artificial intelligence in governance. Any good example that you can think of?
Yes, sir. So can I take
Yes.
artificial intelligence in governance?
Yes.
Sir, I can use artificial intelligence in mainly grievance redressal mechanism,
Okay.
where it will be easy for people can easily
raise
file a
their-
complaint, and
Okay. And
secondly, sir. Secondly, sir, I can use AI to see, we can use AI to see the offender who is doing multiple, in any type of crime, or who is not doing the duty properly.
okay.
Yes.
Achha, suppose you have two subordinates. One is corrupt but highly efficient.
Yes, sir.
Another is honest but highly inefficient.
Yes, sir.
Which one you will choose?
So there.
Two subordinates.
Okay.
Okay. You have to choose one. One is corrupt, efficient. Another is honest but inefficient.
Sir, I think I will choose honest and inefficient, because through the training, or through I can also guide him or her
To be efficient.
to be efficient.
Suppose the honest person who is inefficient is also old, 55, 56-year-old, and he has a 3-4 years of service left.
Yes.
So he has no interest to do any work. He is just waiting to reach the retirement age and get pension and enjoy his life. What will you do? Will you still? And on the other side, you have a young, very efficient but corrupt person. Which one you will choose?
So I would choose the old man.
Old man.
Yes, sir.
How will you make him work?
Sir, previously I will say
Warnings.
yes, sir, by warnings or by written reports, and if he hasn't changed, then sir, I can say that I will.
Disciplinary action.
Yes, I can take disciplinary action against him. Even if it is just only 2 to 3 years, still he has to do his duty diligently.
Don't you think you can pursue the corrupt person to be non-corrupt? You can warn him, you can monitor him.
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I can.
Do you think can we pursue a corrupt person to be non-corrupt?
Yes, sir.
We can. Because there is good in everybody, right?
Yes, sir. And people can change. We generally think that they are doing bad thing. That means
So
they
that
are
is
bad.
that is what they are for life,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
But they can.
Yes.
Tell me, coalition government, is it good or bad for India?
Sir, it has both some good points and bad points, I would say.
What is India's experience with coalition government?
Sir, generally, I would say it is not very good.
Uniform civil code, should we go for it?
Sir, I would say yes, sir. It is a good point, because previously also Law Commission and Supreme Court in various
Judgments,
yes, sir. They have yes,
as
sir.
per it.
Yes.
Bangladesh crisis, who is the caretaker? Who is heading the caretaker government?
Sir, I know, but I didn't remember her
Unable
name.
to write now.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Yunus.
Yes, sir.
He got Nobel also, right?
Yes, a Nobel Prize.
For what?
Sir, I think, sir, can I think?
Yes.
Sir, in economics, he has.
Yes, microfinance.
Yes, sir, microfinance.
Can you name the institution that he has built?
No, sir.
Grameen Bank.
Yes, sir, Grameen Bank, yes.
In your opinion, Pakistan is a bigger threat or China? We should be worried about Pakistan more or China?
Sir, I would say more if I would say China, sir.
There are two astronauts from NASA who are stranded in International Space Station, right?
Yes, sir.
That news is going on, right? Who are they? What is their name?
So yesterday only I read that news. There were one Sunita Williams, a female, and there is a male astronaut also. I didn't remember.
Nobody remembers the second one. Everybody remembers the Indian name, Sunita Williams. Okay. Achha, recently CRPC got replaced, right? Can you
Yes,
name
sir.
the new law?
Sir, Bharatiya Suraksha Samhita.
Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita.
Yes, sir, Nagarika.
Can you tell me two good things about it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I think it has mandated community service as
Very
a
good, very
punishment.
good. And another thing?
And
For petty crimes, there is community service.
Yes,
They have
sir.
introduced that.
Yes.
That's a good point. Yes.
yes, sir, second,
Unable to recollect.
yes, sir.
Achha, are you aware of Bharatiya Sakya Act? Which
Yes, sir. Indian
replaced-
Evidence Act.
Ah.
It has replaced.
One good thing about it.
Sir, it has allowed digital.
Evidence to be primary
Yes, sir,
evidence. Very good. What is the role of Finance Commission?
Sir, Finance Commission. Sir, can I take a moment? Sir, Finance Commission generally, as per Article 280, it is being been constituted by the order of President. Sir, it is mainly sees the fiscal consolidation of state and the center as a whole.
Fiscal devolution, actually,
Yes,
not
sir.
consolidation.
Yes, sir, fiscal devolution to which.
Between center and
Yes,
state.
sir.
What is Purple Revolution?
Sorry, sir.
You don't know? Are you aware of Project Tiger?
Yes, sir.
Is it a success or failure?
Sir, it is a success.
Which
Because
which state has the maximum tiger?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of.
How many tigers are there in Odisha?
Sir, generally, currently, there is a news that one is the melanistic tiger, which is black in
Where is
color.
it found?
It is found in
Simlipal.
Simlipal tiger. Yes, sir.
Why they are melanistic?
Sir, actually, they have like breeded, cross-breeded. Yes.
Genetic, not
Mute.
inbreeding, not crossbreeding, inbreeding. That's a genetic disorder.
Okay, sir.
Phenomenon. Okay. Odisha, how many tigers are there total?
Totally. Sir, sorry, sir.
More than 50, less than 50?
So number is more than 50.
30.
30. Okay, sir, sorry.
Okay. Anyway, what is digital public infrastructure?
So digital public infrastructure is like we can. So can I give example?
Yes.
Yeah. So recently during Corona, the
Cowin app. you're saying.
Arogya Setu app,
Arogya Setu app.
sir,
And,
and Digi Yatra,
okay.
and sir DigiLocker, we
Yes,
can get our
very good,
certificate.
very good, very good. Okay. If you look at Wildlife Protection Act, we are protecting some animals, birds, and we are not giving protection to some other animals and birds. Say peacock is protected, chicken is not. In your opinion, life of a peacock, is it more valuable than the life of a chicken?
Sir, the life of every individual and animal is equal, I would say. But sir, the protection is given according to the numbers, like how many of it is
So you
present.
are saying we have less number of peacocks, so we have given protection?
Yes, sir. According to the wildlife law, it is like,
But we can go for peacock farming and we can have more peacocks. They are birds only.
yes, sir.
Can't we do that? We have done everything, we can do that. Australia is doing crocodile farming.
Yes, sir.
We can do that. Is there any other thing that you can think of?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Is it because the role they play in the ecosystem? For example, we provide protection to tiger but not to a deer.
Yes,
Because if
sir.
you take out the tiger, the ecosystem
The
will
ecosystem will be like,
collapse.
yes, sir. The keystone animal.
Yes, keystone species, important species in
Yes.
the ecosystem. Also, peacock has a cultural aspect as well, religious cultural aspect. Okay, I'm done with the interview. Okay.